Hello, this is John Donnellan, and I'm going to show you how to add these white paper modules to the Human Elements website. So to get started, there's a few things you're going to need to have. You'll need to have the PDF file of your white paper, and you're going to need a thumbnail image. These little thumbnail images need to be sized at 500 pixels wide by 350 pixels tall. So you just need to crop an image to fit as a thumbnail. And you'll see that I have organized a folder here where I have all these white papers with their corresponding images, and I always name my image the first couple words or so of the white paper, and that way they automatically sort together. So what we're going to use is this sample white paper here. I've got a sample white paper and a sample white paper image all set up and ready to go. You're also going to need a basic text editor. So what we're going to do is open Notepad for PC. That's a common text editor. If you're using a Mac, you're going to use probably TextEdit is the name of the text editor on a Mac. But you need a basic text editor, and the reason for that is you're going to be collecting some text out of your white paper that you're going to use in the module. So you're going to go ahead and open up the sample whatever white paper you're putting in. You're going to open that up, and the next thing we're going to do is copy the title, and I'm going to go to our text editor and we're going to paste the title. Now you're going to notice that it automatically retains the lines. If you notice on your PDF file, the line breaks are there. When you're pasting text out of a PDF, it automatically retains the line breaks, so you're going to need to get rid of those line breaks. Unfortunately, that's a little bit of a pain, but it needs to be done. And then you're going to copy a little bit of the body text. So we'll go to the beginning of the white paper and just take a little bit of it. You don't need a lot, maybe that much, because you need just a little sample text before the download button. So you're going to copy that, and you're going to paste that in here. And again, we've got to get rid of all of the line breaks. It's kind of a pain, but nonetheless it has to be done. Now if you happen to miss a line break, it's not a big deal. You can still do it when you're putting it into your WordPress site. Okay, so now we have our title text and a little bit of the body text. Now we're ready to log into the back end of our WordPress website. So what we're going to do is navigate to our login, which we know is wp-admin. We add it to the end of our domain name. It takes us to the login. We're going to go ahead and get logged in. Okay, once you're logged in, first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Media, Library, Add New. And you'll see here that you have a place where you can either drop files or you can select files directly from your computer. I'll go ahead and drag them. So what I want to do is I want to take both the PDF file as well as the image thumbnail and drag them in and drop them so that they get uploaded to my WordPress website. Okay, now we're going to go to the library, and we can see these two files that were just uploaded. They're always going to be the first thing on the list because they're automatically put in the order of the last thing uploaded is first on the list. And what we want to do now is we want to click on this PDF file, and we want to get this link. Select the whole text of the link, copy it, and then we want to paste that also into our text editor because we're going to need that later. Okay, once we get that URL, we can close this attachment and we can go back to the front end of our website by clicking on this little title up here. It'll take us to the front end. And now we're ready to actually add the module. We've collected everything, we've uploaded the things we need. Now we're ready to add the module. So what you're going to do is go to the white papers page. Once you navigate to the page and it loads, you're going to click on Enable Visual Builder. It'll take a few seconds to load. Okay, so now that we have this page loaded, the first thing we would like to do is click this purple circle at the bottom, and it's easier to work in wireframe view. So you get there by clicking this little wireframe icon down here, and the whole page will change into what's called wireframe view, and that's easier for adding modules. Alright, so now we see where our white papers are, and what we want to do is add a new white paper. So you click the little plus sign to add it into this column. If this column was full, we would go to the beginning of the next column and keep on adding them in succession. So I'm going to click the plus sign, and what you're going to click on is Add from Library, and we've created a white paper module specifically for this. So you're going to click on White Paper Module, and you'll see that it added this new module here. Now you click the gear icon to get to the settings. And here's where we're going to start pasting in the items that we have set aside. So we're going to grab the title, and we're going to paste our title in. Then we're going to grab that body text, otherwise known as an excerpt, I guess, and paste in our excerpt. Now we're going to go to Image. By default, it's going to have the image that we used when we created the template for you, but if you click on this image, it will take you to the media library, where you're going to be able to select that image that you just uploaded. Then you click on Upload Image, and now we have the correct image selected. Now where it says Link, for Module Link, you're going to get the URL from your text document, and you're going to copy that, and you're going to paste that, and then you're going to click this green button to save the changes. Now keep in mind that that green button saved the changes for this module. It did not save the changes for the page. We saved the module. Now we also have to click the green button way over here on the right lower corner to save the page. But I'm not going to do that because I don't want to update your live website with this incorrect information. But once I click Save the Page, you would see this new module. If you want to see what it looks like before you save, you can click this icon for wireframe, and it'll return you to the regular view. And now you can see the sample that we just added. And that's all set to go. Alright, but I'm going to go ahead and exit the Visual Builder without saving, because this was only a tutorial. So I'm going to discard and exit. If you were to save your pages, you would now see your new module in this space. So that's been a quick tutorial on how to add a white paper module to your Human Elements website. Thank you.